I have never dealt with Matranillo. I only know him because he is also an actor. He belongs to the movie industry.
What can you say that these names are floating from?
I don't know. I don't know where they got those names. Tahustas, Matranillo. I've never dealt with him.
Sir, kamusta yung mother niyo?
She feels so bad. She feels so upset about what's happening. Siyempre, sana spare her na lang. Wala namang kinalaman na nanay ko dito.
Possible, sir, na kasama na rin sa topic bukas, sir, yung nanay niyo.
Siguro. They will fabricate stories here tomorrow.
Sir, nag-meet na sa NBI na naman ngayon si Quezon.
Nagre-reconcile na naman yan ng mga figures ng mga sasabihin nila bukas. I think the hearing tomorrow is meant to depict us as demons here, as villains here again, as what they did during the previous hearings. Question and answer lang yan. Tatanungin ni nung may ibang senador, totoo ba ito, Ben Harloy, na sinasabi ni Mrs. Tuason, magko-corroborate yung dalawa. They are going to try to reconcile all the figures, maybe all the dates, if they can still remember. Talagang palabas na lang. Sana kung sakasakaling i-elevate ng ombudsman yung kaso namin, but I hope and still I'm hoping and praying na sana bigyan ng pagkakataon ng ombudsman na basahin yung aming counter affidavit and not to be influenced by the statement of Secretary Laila. And I urge the Secretary of Justice to refrain from making statements that tend to influence the decision of the ombudsman. Kasi ang role dapat ng DOJ magkalap na ebidensya. Hindi para magsalita na para nakahindi. They're being tried by publicity here. Wala pang kaso para nakahindi rin.
Any message for your colleagues for tomorrow? Pakiusap lang.
Well, to quote Thomas Jefferson, a politician looks forward to the next election, but a statesman looks forward to the next generation. I hope they become statesmen.